Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about the extension of stay of a tourist visa that unfortunately got denied. Let us take Anna for example. Anna arrived in the US using her tourist visa on November 25, 2020. She was given until May 25, 2021 to stay in the US according to her I-94 arrival departure card. If you don't know about I-94, you can visit this website. Anna said she wants to stay some more in the USA, so she filed an extension of stay on March 25, 2021. So, what could now possibly happen to Anna? While the extension of application is still pending, the stay of Anna is considered authorized until her application is decided, so long as Anna will not work without authorization or did not untimely or frivolously file the application. If the application is approved, then no unlawful presence accrues. If extension of stay is denied, if it is denied because of work without authorization or the application is untimely or frivolously filed, there is an unlawful presence that starts to count at the expiration of I-94, in our example, May 26, 2021. If the extension of stay is denied for any other reason, the unlawful presence accrues from the denial date. So, if in our example, Anna's application got denied on July 7, 2021, so the unlawful presence starts to count on July 7, 2021, not on May 26, 2021. So, what with this unlawful presence? It is important because we want to know if we can still come back to the USA for another tourist visit. We will discuss this in the following episodes. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit the USCIS website, and I'm inviting everyone to please join us on our FB group page, Green Card USA Immigration Discussion. Thank you and be safe.